Tonight, instruments mingle and voices sing. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Welcome to a night of jazz. We're celebrating International Jazz Day 2019 at Devon House. I'm here with Director of Marketing and Communications at Edna Manley to tell us more about the event. Tell us about the event. Why are we here today and what's it all about?
Well, in 2011, the United Nations declared April Jazz Month, culminating with International Jazz Day on April 30. And what they do is to write all UNESCO member states to invite them to participate in this worldwide celebration. We started the year when it was in Paris. I think that would have been 2015, with just a small concert.
Jazz Day celebrates the history and impact of the music genre that is recognized for promoting human rights and human dignity, dialogue among cultures, freedom of expression, and the role of young people in enacting social change.
There's a land that I have heard about so far across the sea.
There were a variety of performances, many of which witnessed students performing alongside their professors.
We offer a degree in jazz and performance, and so we thought it would be appropriate to showcase the faculty who are quite good, as you can witness here, as well as our students, so showcase them to the world.
When sunny gets blue, her eyes get gray and cloudy, then the rain begins to fall. Pitter patter, love is gone, so what can matter? No sweet loving man comes to call. She breathes a sigh of sadness, like the wind that stirs the tree.
We've been given great guidance by our teachers, also been motivated by our peers and everybody. So, yeah, came off well.
And in order to be on the jazz choir, you have to audition, and the audition is basically when the voices blend together. If you don't blend, you're not going to be on the jazz choir.
It went well. We had great interaction with the crowd, and the crowd was participating, and that was a good thing, you know, because sometimes they have some boring people, you know, but this time it went well.
In addition to the wonderful performances, students from Edna's School of Visual Arts also had a painting station set up and a silent auction for the completed artwork at the end of the night. The Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, also graced the jazz scene to enjoy the music and speak a few words.
Today's celebration is about acknowledging the power of the music to bring people together in love, peace and unity. We also celebrate the influence of jazz on Jamaican music and the contribution of Jamaican musicians to jazz internationally. And it is because of these diverse musical innovations that UNESCO designated Kingston as the creative city of music.
And we wouldn't be the creative city of music if we didn't mix up the flavors. Many performances paid tribute to both local and international artists.
We also have a master class with the artists. So the international act that comes is able to share their craft with our students, other master artists in Jamaica. This year our special guest artist is Steve Ture. Steve Ture is an American trombonist, but what's unique about Steve is that he uses conch shells to make music, and you'll see some of that tonight.
The Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport and the Jamaica Music Museum, we are happy to join the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts in the staging of this concert in celebration of International Jazz Day.
The fact that the ministry is on board with us this year and they're not reinventing the wheel is very important. And so I think we will have a bigger concert next year with that kind of partnership. What's our aim? That one day UNESCO may say, let's go to Jamaica for the main concert and bring their all-star global artists here for a performance right here, somewhere in Kingston.
What I like about the show is that there's a mixture of some kind of reggae and some ska. Because I had featured some Danjaman music and really bring back some sense of long time. I really enjoyed it.
The use of the shells is novel, so that for me was quite a difference from what we normally have. What I also like about these shows is the mixture of experience and younger musicians. It's an avenue for the students from Edna Manley to be exposed, to show off their skills and talents. And I like that mixture.
We had a very classy, jazzy time tonight. So mark your calendars because we're waiting for you next year.